Hello friends, this video on Symmetry Part 6 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. So based on whatever we have learned about the line symmetry and line of symmetry, let's look at some questions. Question number 1. Check whether the shapes given below are symmetric or not. Now, whenever you are asked to determine whether a particular shape is symmetric or not, just think of the lines which might divide that shape into two equal halves. So here you have the picture of a bucket. So what are the lines that might divide it into two equal halves? Similarly, you have a telephone and you also have this shape. So let us first start with the bucket. So in case of the bucket, if you think of a horizontal line, do you think that would divide it into two equal halves? No, because the upper half and the lower halves are not identical. But if you think of a vertical line like this, does this divide the object into two equal halves? Yes. So this half and this half are exactly identical. So we can say that this shape has a vertical line of symmetry. And of course, this is symmetric. Next one is the telephone. So can you try this on your own? So think of a horizontal line that doesn't divide it into equal halves. But think of a vertical line that again divides it into two identical halves. So this half and this half, they are exactly identical to each other. So if you think of this telephone being drawn on a sheet of paper, and if you fold the paper along this line, the two halves will exactly cover each other. So this also has a vertical line of symmetry. Now let's move on to the third one. Here, do you think it has a vertical line of symmetry? Well, not really, because even if no matter wherever you draw a vertical line, that's definitely not going to divide it into two equal halves. So does it have a horizontal line of symmetry? Well, to be honest, even a horizontal line cannot divide it into two equal halves. So basically, this figure is not symmetric because there is no such line which can divide it into two identical parts. So it is not symmetric. Question number 2. In the figure, L is the line of symmetry. Complete the diagram to make it symmetric. Okay, so this is the line of symmetry. What kind of line of symmetry is this? This is a horizontal line. So this is a horizontal line of symmetry. So what does this mean? This means that if you fold this is just half of the image. The other half of the object would be on this side, that is on the other side of the line of symmetry. So this is our line of symmetry. So the other half of the object would be somewhere here, and this other half will be exactly identical to this half. So that means, let's say that you have a point here, right? Let's call this point as A. So if you have a point here at some distance, so we draw a line again which is equal in length to this line such that you have a point B here. So you join this, right? Similarly, from this point also you join this. So now you see this half and this half, they are exactly identical, and L is the line of symmetry which divides this entire object, that is the bigger triangle, into two equal parts. So in this fashion we complete the diagram. Question number 3. In the figure, L is the line of symmetry again. Draw the image of the triangle and complete the diagram so that it becomes symmetric. So this is what is given. So this is the line of symmetry. That means anything that is there on this side will have an equal part on this side also. Anything which is on this side will have an equal part on this side, because line of symmetry means on the two sides of the line of symmetry you will have two identical parts of the object. So this is what it would be, because on this side you have this structure. So this side also you will have a similar structure like this. Similarly, on this side of the line you have a triangle. So on the other side also you will have a triangle like this. So finally you will end up with an image like this. So here you see this L is now the line of symmetry, because everything that you have on the left side of L is exactly equal to everything that you have on the right side of L. And if you fold the paper along L, so the left side and the right side would completely overlap each other. So that means L is the line of symmetry. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com for free quality education. You can learn with a simple 4-step learning process wherein you can watch video lessons, you can ask your questions, you can refer notes, and you can take a free online test. We have content for class 6 to 12 on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology along with practical videos. So please subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Thank you.